Welcome to the fifth video of Adobe Flash tutorials. In this video, we will talk about the brush tool, paint bucket tool, ink bottle tool, and eraser tool. Here, we will learn how to fill shapes with gradient fill and how to reshape lines and shapes. We will start with the brush tool. The brush tool draws brush-like strokes as if you are painting. It's also used to create special effects including calligraphic effects. The major difference between the brush tool and pencil tool is that the pencil tool is used to draw strokes, whereas the brush tool is used to paint the fill of an object. To use the brush tool, select the brush tool from the tools panel. When you select the brush tool, as you can see here, it has three modifiers. The brush mode option lets you to choose the brush mode. Select the paint normal to paint over the lines and fills on the same layer. Select the paint behind to paint blank areas of the stage on the same layer, leaving lines and fills unaffected. Select the paint selection option to apply a new fill to the selection when you select a fill in the fill color control. And select the paint inside option to paint the fill. It never paints the lines. Alright. Another modifier is brush size, which allows you to select various sizes for your brush. And the third modifier allows you to choose the shape of your brush. The paint bucket tool is used to fill or change the fill of an enclosed area with colors. To use the bucket tool, let's follow these steps. Draw an enclosed area. We can draw one here using our pencil tool. Okay. So then we will also draw one rectangle tool on the stage. Now select the paint bucket tool from the tools panel, select the fill color and click the object you want to change color. Alright. Now if you have an object which is not completely enclosed but has a small gap and you want it to fill with color, so we can do that using paint bucket tool. So first draw that type of shape which has a small opening which is not completely closed. Now how to do that? Using paint bucket tool, select it, then in the modifier there's a gap size modifier. Select the gap size and click to fill the shape. Alright. So now we know how to fill the objects with solid colors. How about filling with a gradient by mixing more than one color? To do that, select the paint bucket tool and select a gradient color from the color palette. Alright. You can create your own gradients. To do that, open the color panel. If it is not visible, select Windows menu and then click color. So from the color panel, click the drop down menu arrow of type box to select the gradient style. Click the color marker you want to change. Select the color from the color palette. You can change the position of the color markers. You can add new color markers and set their color. And you can remove the existing ones. To remove the existing color markers, drag it off from the bar. When you are done, you can apply it to the object's fill. If you want to change the color, style and thickness of the existing lines, use ink bottle tool. Select the ink bottle tool, then select the stroke color and other properties from the properties inspector, and then click the line to which you want to apply the modifications. Now let's learn about the eraser tool. It's used to erase lines and fills. If you want to delete every object on the screen, double-click the eraser tool and it will delete everything on the stage. If you want to delete only strokes or fills, click the facet modifier and then click the stroke or fill that you want to delete. It has eraser shape modifier where you can change the size and shape of the eraser. It also has eraser mode modifier. Erase normal erases all the lines and fills which come under its pass. Erase fills erases only the fills. Then erase lines erases only the lines. Erase selected fills erase only the currently selected fills, and erase inside erases only the area of the fill that you want to erase. Alright, now let's learn how to reshape the lines and shapes using the arrow tool. To see how, let's draw a rectangle. Position the mouse pointer near the line. The mouse pointer will change in such a way so that it will show that how the line will be changed. Click and drag to reshape the object. Similarly, you can change the other lines and corners of the shape. So that's it for this video. In the next video, we will learn how to create animations in Adobe Flash. Till then, goodbye and have a nice day.